Hey everybody, it's Bob Anderson. This is going to be very short, very sweet, but I had people ask me before, they've asked me, well, when you get up in the morning and you look at your charts, what are you looking for? What do you do pre-market? And I tell them I look to see if the market is in rhythm, because if it's in rhythm, then I want to be involved. If it's not in rhythm, I need to go find a market that is. So like, is the ES in rhythm? Okay, then I want to play the ES. Has it expanded its area? Is there room for trades? Or is oil in rhythm? Has it expanded its area? Is there potential trades? I mean, because every other day it could be one or the other. So this video is in conjunction with the video that I showed you guys, the 5-minute line, the 5-minute red line on the 1-minute chart, and the 5-minute gold line on the 1-minute chart. I'm going to talk about basic price action. I have to get this video done quick because I literally saw it today. I'm on my way to the coast of North Carolina. I'm out the door here in just a few minutes. But I looked at my charts and I went, oh shit, let me just throw this together, put it out there for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Because when I see perfect examples, I think the best thing I can do is document it and show it to you. And I woke up this morning and there's 20 some emails in my email from some of you guys. And there's like, there's notifications of like 15 messages on my YouTube channels. And by the way, YouTube, when they tell me there's 15 messages, they're really missing another 15. For some reason, they only tell you about 50% of them. So I'm behind and I got to get out of here. So I don't get mad at me if I don't get back to you guys. But I thought it was more important that I show you this. So I'm going to show you an ES chart that I woke up this morning, turned on my chart, and I'm like, oh crap. This exactly shows what I was talking about with the 1, 2, 3 and the gold line and the red line and that kind of stuff. So let's do that really quickly, and then I'm going to upload this video, and I'm out of here, and I'm going fishing for the weekend. Watch out, North Carolina. Anyways, this is just quick. I want everybody to recognize what I've been trying to tell you when I say price action and 1, 2, 3. Okay? So here we go. This is the ES first thing this morning. So the ES rolled up, tested its gold line. This is on the downside. This is the 5-minute red line. This is the 5-minute gold line on the 1-minute chart. Okay, so this is like 3 in the morning. Came up, down. Here's your breakdown on your gold line. Here's your breakdown of your red line. Here's a retest of the gold line. Here's a breakdown. Boom, boom, boom. But at 5 o'clock this morning, we had a big breakthrough to the upside. Okay, so now let's pay attention to what I'm about to show you. This is where is the market in rhythm. All right. Rolls up through the red line. So, the crossover comes up. Boom. First test of the gold line. Wham. Look at that. Okay. That's from 75 to 83, or 82.75, which is pretty substantial first thing in the morning. So now you have a pivot high. See this? You have a pivot high. It pivoted higher than this. So we're going to come back down and retest that gold line again. So what do you guys think? This is the, remember, 1, 2, 3. Well, let's look. Oh, wait. Okay, we had a reaction. We had a reaction up. So we went from 78 all the way to 80 and a half. But then it rolled over again. So what do we expect? Well, I don't personally expect that gold line to hold. Here was number 1. Here was number 2. 2 did not break here. Bam, down it goes. So here's our first attempt at the red line, which is, remember, our 5-minute red line on the 1-minute chart. What do we expect? Oh, we expect it to go up. And it did. And it broke this pivot to the left. Roll back down. What do we expect? We expect it to go up. Did it go up higher than the first time? Nope. Rolled over, rolled through the red line, and then it went back up again. Crossover, crossover short, crossover back long, bam. So here we are again. Now we're testing this gold line. Is it going to hold? It doesn't look like it. But that's my example of one. Let's go back over here. 1, 2, the 2. I don't trust the 2 as much as I do the 1. And then the 1, and then the 2. And by the way, why do you think it pivots on these spots? Because these moving average numbers mean something, even in the pre-market. They mean something to the traders. Okay? Now, you come over here and look at oil right now, just for the fun of it. I did this morning. Now, I've got all my lines on oil. But oil looks like absolute crap first thing this morning. So if I'm sitting here getting ready to potentially take some trades in the pre-market especially, I'm probably looking to play the ES more than I'm looking to play oil. Now, then you got to get into, well, is there enough room to even take a trade? And that could be questionable too. And then you got to look at the fact that there's news. Let's see here. At 8:30 is the producer price index. So I don't want to be taking any trades at 8:30. Probably. And then 10 o'clock is the consumer sentiment and the 5-year inflation expectation at 10 o'clock. Those two could have a huge impact on the ES. So if I was sitting here trying to evaluate what I'm going to do today, I'm going to hope that oil gets its act together and starts showing me some rhythm, because the ES probably has too many news events. Anyways, I thought I would just show you guys that by what I mean with 1, 2, 3. Okay? And everybody have a good day. I'm not ignoring people in my YouTube comments. I've got, like I said, I've probably got 30 plus comments that people, or things that people want me to comment on. What I do like is some people who know the answers to some of these questions that people ask me, they jump right in and answer it for me. Again, that nothing makes me happier than going in and seeing somebody gave the answer to somebody's question. That is, then it's like, oh, great. I don't have to find it, copy and paste it, send it, whatever. All right. Talk to you guys later. Everybody have a good weekend. Keep your stops tight. And maybe I'll have some pictures of my fish that I catch this weekend. Talk to you. Bye.